Okay, so today this is the figure that we want to create with SolidWorks. So this is what we have. So I'm going to take you through every step you need to take to create this. Okay, so first things first, you go to your home, or you go to new straight. Then let's just go back and go to new. Just click on new. Then select parts. Okay, so depending on the units of your dimensions, you decide on what you're going to use. Me, I'm using mmgs, so I'm changing my IPS to mmgs. Then you go to sketch, click on sketch. Then we'll start with the top plane because we want to work on the bottom part. So first things first, let's just take a center rectangle. So you can just start from the center. It's going to be very easy to dimension it with it like this. Then we dimension the sides. So according to my drawing, it says this side is 100. This other side is 60. Okay, then we just go to our features, extruded workspace. The height of this is 20, so just change it to 20 per center. This is what we have. So the next thing is to get the upper part. So we just go to our sketch, click on corner rectangle this time because we're working from a corner. Then click on the face you want to work on. So I want to take my corner from here. Just click there, then extend it to any length you want. Then just make sure it's on this. Look at it, that line is highlighted to show that it's at the end of the line. So now because you're taking the same length as this rectangle, you don't have to dimension the longer parts because it's already dimensioned. So you just dimension the smaller parts, and according to my dimensions here is 20. Okay, then we'll now extrude, and the height is 50. So you go to extruded workspace, extrude to a height of 50. Then this is what we have. Okay, so next thing is now get the second one, then that cut off side. So you go to your sketch, click on circle. Mine is already automatically in normal circle, no perimeter circle. So we just click on the surface you want to work on. Then it's at the center of the drawing if you noticed. So you just follow this blue line that shows that it's at the center. Then just draw a big circle. Okay. Then we have another circle too that is the same center. So we just do it as well. So now smart dimension. The dimension of this, it has a diameter of 50. So put it as a dimension of 50. While the inner one has a diameter of 40. We'll put it at a diameter of 40. Okay, then the next thing is we'll now dimension the other part. So the distance from the center of this circle to the base is 45. So you just mark dimension, click the center of the circle and the bottom of the diagram and put it at 45. Okay, then the next thing is the distance from here to the other side. From the middle to the other side is 50. So just take from center to this other side 50. So if you notice it now, everything is now fully defined. But now this is not what we need to do. Now how we're going to create this inner circle is using extruded cut. But the other sides are also gone. So what you can easily do so you don't have to use extruded cut more than once. Take your line to, and if you notice now this line where it's breaking is at the center. So you just come using your line to. After you just go straight and just pass through everything honestly. Then when you are doing your extruded cut, select the area you want to work on. You can do that, or at the same time, let me escape. Ctrl Z. At the same time, you can take your line to starting from one edge of the circle. That is here. You go straight down here. You go up here. Then we go to this point here. Okay. Then we continue again. You can tell us to go to that point and just go straight and draw to that end. But I just said for accuracy. The next one is also at the center of the circle too. So we stop here and then we come to the edge of the circle. And with that, we are done. Just escape to leave the two. Okay, so the next thing we need, now if I had done it straight, like if I had completed it completely, these blue lines will not show. But since we are doing extrusion, we don't really need to care about it. But for to make it defined, let's just continue. Let's see whether it will change to black now. If we complete the line, escape. So see, it's more defined now. But we don't really care about that right now because we just want to extrude. So we just go to our features, extruded quotes. You can select the area you want to extrude. You want to extrude out here, here, and this circle. Those are the areas we want to cut. And if you look at it now, look at the other side now, you see it's coming out through the drawing. But now we just need a distance of 20. So just change this dimension to 20 and press enter. So this is what we have. So this is the result. Remember that if you want to this, if you feel like your drawing is now too big and too close to your face, you can always press F, fit to screen. So this is what we have. Thank you very much for watching. Drop your comments and anything you want me to also do, any video you want to do or practice on, and I'll attend to them later. Thank you.